Hello and welcome. I had the privilege of helping other techies to learn today at the Andela DevC Meetup final grand finale meetup today in Abuja branch, Abuja Developers Cycle. So there were some resources that I shared and I would like all of us to get to know about. And so this is the presentation. You can see I actually made a presentation on it. This is Andela DevC capstone project. The teamwork is an internal social network for employees of an organization, and the goal of this application is to facilitate interaction between colleagues and promote internal bonding. So basically I worked on the API. So you can see these are some of the pictures that were snapped while we were at the venue. You can see this is me delivering the anchoring the unblocking. Basically what I did was unblocking. I didn't go there to form any guru or to do guru things. I just did basic unblocking, picking out questions, people that we are having problems with connection to their database, people that we are having problems, anything Postgres problem. So I was able to take on these questions, and I also give us some materials that will help you complete your project very fast. So I'm going to show you that. So these are some of our pictures at the venue. The venue was actually plenty of people turned up very well. People really turned up. So this is me here. Okay, so this is during the class. So it was a very fruitful one. So with that, I'm gonna go through what I actually presented. So this is just the description of what the API is all about, and I went on to like okay, basic important points to note: creation of repo, git clone. After creating the repo, you clone it to your system, cd into the repo, create your the branch, the develop branch, then do your npm in it and follow up, create the directory, the front end, back end, and so then install Babel to help you to do the compiling, then create the Babel rc file and configure it, install nodemon, create the git ignore, then do your basic server.js file, also do the GitHub and project board, then do your npx slint that init that will help you to do your ESLint. So when you start it, you can take on the various questions that they are going to ask, then the server.js file upgraded, then install some modules that will help you like .env, mocha, and chai. Then how to do the commit and do your first your first git push. And these are my contacts. You can in case if you want to follow me up and get more information concerning this. So those are the things I shared during the meeting. So that is the first introductory part. Then after this, we now went into details. Where is the file? We now went into full details. So there's this material that I actually gave out on how you can actually finish your project, so step by step, and I'm gonna drop it on the comment section of this video. So check the comment section. You are going to see all these files so that you can also use them and upgrade yourself. How you do the ESLinting and everything is going to help you to approach your project and finish it up in time and very fast. So apart from that, I also give them another material on how to do your git push, commit, do your PR, that's your pull request messages and everything, your test, connection to database, all the materials that you need. So I'm going to drop it on the comment description section, not comment section, description section of this very YouTube video now. So if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section so that you can follow up well. Thank you.